Learn English naturally, just by watching.
Let's improve your English together, one real-life video at a time.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with me. I'm Sophie.
And I'm William. How are you today, Sophie?
I'm great, William. I'm excited because today we have a wonderful topic.
Me too. Today, we're talking about motivation. Do you know this word, motivation?
Yes, motivation means when you want to do something, when you have energy and you feel ready.
Exactly. For example, I have motivation to learn English. That means you want to learn. You feel excited to learn.
Perfect example. Today, we will learn phrases about motivation and daily routines. Daily routines means the things you do every day.
Yes, like waking up, eating breakfast, going to work or school. These are daily routines.
And before we start, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us.
Yes, thank you so much. When you subscribe, we can make more lessons for you.
Okay, are you ready to learn?
Let's begin.
William, let me ask you, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. What about you?
I wake up at 7. So, listeners, let's practice this phrase. I wake up at...
Listen carefully. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Now you try. Say it out loud. I wake up at...
Good job. Let's say it again. I wake up at...
Excellent. Now, here's an important question. How do you feel in the morning?
Oh, that's a good question. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I feel energetic.
Right. Let's learn these words. Tired means you want to sleep more. You have no energy.
And energetic means you have lots of energy. You feel strong and ready.
Listen to this example. I feel tired in the morning, so I drink coffee.
Nice. Here's another. I feel energetic after I exercise.
Okay, let's practice. Listen and repeat. I feel tired.
I feel energetic.
Great work. Now, let's talk about motivation. Sophie, what gives you motivation in the morning?
Good question. My morning coffee gives me motivation, and listening to music.
I love that. Music is very motivating. So we can say, music gives me motivation.
Or, coffee gives me motivation. Let's practice this phrase. Gives me motivation.
Listen. Exercise gives me motivation. Now you try. Think about something that gives you motivation.
Wonderful. Here are more examples. William, can you share some?
Of course. My family gives me motivation. Or, my goals give me motivation.
Beautiful. A goal is something you want to achieve. For example, my goal is to speak English fluently.
That's a perfect goal. And speaking of goals, let's learn another important phrase. I want to.
Yes, this is so useful. I want to learn English. I want to be healthy. I want to be happy.
Let's practice. Listen. I want to learn English.
I want to be healthy.
Excellent. Now tell us, what do you want to do? Think about it.
That's great practice, everyone. You're doing so well.
Okay, Sophie. Sometimes staying motivated is difficult. Do you agree?
Oh, yes, I agree. Sometimes I feel lazy. Do you know this word, lazy?
Yes, lazy means you don't want to do anything. You want to rest or do nothing.
Exactly. For example, I feel lazy today. I don't want to work.
We all feel lazy sometimes. It's normal, but we need motivation to keep going.
Right. So let's learn some phrases to help you stay motivated. First phrase, I can do it.
This is a powerful phrase. I can do it means you believe in yourself. You think, yes, this is possible for me.
Listen carefully. I can do it.
Say it with confidence. I can do it.
Perfect. Here's a story. Imagine you have a big test tomorrow. You feel nervous, but you study hard. You say, I can do it.
That's right. Or imagine you want to run 5 kilometers. It's difficult, but you say, I can do it, and you keep running.
Beautiful examples. Next phrase, don't give up.
This is so important. Don't give up means keep trying. Don't stop.
Yes, when something is hard, when you feel tired, remember, don't give up.
Let's practice. Don't give up.
Don't give up.
Wonderful. Now, here's another useful phrase. Keep going.
Oh, I love this one. Keep going means continue. Don't stop. Move forward.
For example, learning English is hard, but keep going. You will improve.
Or, you feel tired, but keep going. You're almost finished.
Let's say it together. Keep going.
Keep going.
You're improving already. Do you feel it?
Yes, and that brings us to our next phrase. You can do this.
This is similar to I can do it, but now you're encouraging another person.
Exactly. When your friend feels sad or tired, you say, you can do this. I believe in you.
I believe in you means I think you are strong. I think you will succeed.
Let's practice. You can do this.
I believe in you.
Excellent work. Now, let's learn about small steps.
Small steps? What does that mean?
Small steps means you do a little bit every day. Not everything at once, just small actions.
Oh, I understand. For example, I study English for 10 minutes every day. That's a small step.
Perfect. Small steps are important because big goals can feel scary, but small steps are easy.
Right. So if you want to read a book in English, don't read 100 pages today. Read 1 page. That's a small step.
Exactly. Let's practice. I take small steps every day.
Small steps lead to big success.
Beautiful. You're all doing amazing.
Sophie, let's talk about daily habits. What do you do every day to stay motivated?
Great question. Every morning, I make my bed. It's a small thing, but it makes me feel productive.
I love that. Productive means you do things, you accomplish things, you don't waste time.
Yes, making your bed takes 2 minutes, but it starts your day in a good way.
So we can say, I make my bed every morning. It helps me feel productive.
Let's practice. I make my bed every morning.
I feel productive.
Good. Now, another habit, setting goals for the day.
Oh, yes. Every morning I think, what do I want to do today? I make a small list.
That's smart. A list helps you remember and stay organized. For example, today I want to study English, go shopping, and call my friend.
Exactly. And when you finish something on your list, you feel good.
Let's practice. I set goals for the day.
I make a to-do list.
Perfect. Now, here's another important habit, taking breaks.
Taking breaks? Why is that important for motivation?
Because if you work too much, you feel tired and stressed. Breaks help you rest and feel fresh again.
Ah, I see. So, for example, I study for 30 minutes, then I take a 5-minute break.
Exactly. During your break, you can drink water, walk around, or listen to music.
Let's practice. I take breaks.
Breaks help me stay motivated.
Excellent. Now, let's talk about celebrating small wins.
Celebrating small wins? What does that mean?
It means when you do something good, even something small, you feel happy about it.
Oh, I love this. For example, today I learned 5 new English words. That's a small win. I feel proud.
Yes, or I woke up early today. That's a small win. You don't wait for big success, you celebrate small success too.
That's such a positive way to think. Let's practice. I celebrate small wins.
I feel proud of myself.
Beautiful. Everyone listening, remember to celebrate your small wins today.
Yes, you're learning English right now. That's a win. Good job.
Okay, everyone, let's do a quick recap. That means let's review what we learned.
Great idea. Today we learned many useful phrases about motivation. Let's practice them one more time.
First phrase, I wake up at.
I feel tired, or I feel energetic.
Gives me motivation.
I want to.
I can do it.
Don't give up.
Keep going.
You can do this.
I take small steps every day.
I set goals for the day.
I celebrate small wins.
Wow, you learned so many phrases today. That's amazing.
You should feel proud. Now you can talk about motivation in English.
Let's practice one more time with a real conversation. I'll be person A, and Sophie will be person B.
Okay, let's go.
Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm good. I feel energetic today.
That's great. What gives you motivation in the morning?
Coffee gives me motivation, and my goals give me motivation too.
Nice. What's your goal for today?
I want to study English and exercise. What about you?
I want to finish my work early. We can do it.
Yes, we can do it. Don't give up.
See? That's a natural conversation using the phrases we learned.
Now you try. Practice with a friend or practice alone. It's okay.
Well, everyone, we're almost at the end of today's lesson.
Time goes so fast when we're learning together.
Before we finish, let's remember something important. Learning English takes time. It's okay if you make mistakes.
Yes, Mistakes help you learn. Don't feel bad about mistakes. Feel proud that you're trying.
Every day you practice, you improve. Even just 10 minutes every day makes a difference.
Small steps, remember? Small steps lead to big success.
Exactly. And we want to hear from you. Here's our community question for today.
Are you ready? Here it is. What gives you motivation every day?
Yes, tell us in the comments. Maybe it's your family. Maybe it's your dreams. Maybe it's music or coffee.
We love reading your comments. It helps us understand you better and make better lessons for you.
And here's another question. What time do you wake up in the morning?
Share your daily routine with us. We want to know about your life.
Remember, this is a community. We're all learning together. We support each other.
Before you go, please do 3 things for us.
Number 1, hit the like button. It really helps our channel grow.
Number 2, subscribe to English with Me so you never miss a lesson.
Number 3, share this video with a friend who's learning English. Learn together.
Learning with a friend is more fun. You can practice conversations together.
That's true. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for listening today.
You did such a great job. I'm proud of you.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, you can do it.
Don't give up. Keep going. We believe in you.
See you in the next lesson.
Take care, everyone. Bye.
Bye-bye.